Hi guys, my name is Karabo Keapoletswe and I'm 16 years old. I'm a singer, and the reason why I want to go further in my career of singing is that especially when you're a songwriter, like I write songs, you notice how music and lyrics can impact your life, like forever. It can change somebody's life, and I want to change lives, and yeah. I am going to sing Valerie by Amy Winehouse. Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing. In my head I paint a picture. Since I've come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your tender hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Won't you come on over, Valerie? Do, 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 Valerie. Valerie, do, 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 Valerie, won't you come on over, Valerie? Thank you.